All right. Hey guys, I'm really excited. I ordered a bunch of books for the kids from a place which is called Pirtukakurdi. So really excited. I've been looking for books for the kids for a very long time. I came across these guys a few weeks ago. Ordered them. They came in no problem. So let's have a look. Cool. Have a look at this. All right. So quite a few books in here. Jaran, that's one of them. A whole bunch of little books. HESABÉN, which is a dictionary. It's very nice. €1. How cute is that? Look at that. So the kids just love reading stories. They read like 3 or 4 stories every night. And this is probably a big one. So yeah, I can't wait to kind of go through some of these with them. Especially this one, Rodi, as you can see, very nice. This nice big one here, Rodi. Wow, okay, I did not realize how big this would be. That's why the box is so big. Oh man, look at that. Oh man. Wow, look at that. It's huge. Wow. All right, but the one that I'm really excited about is this one here. There's another one. Pirtukakurdi, first book. Very nice. Oh, it's like a school book. Cool. But what I'm really excited about is this one. Çirok, which means 1 story per night. And it's basically got 365 stories in there. Look at that. I'm so excited to just get this and start reading it and get the kids involved. So, cool. Pirtukakurdi, I'll link it, and if you have any questions, let me know. It's awesome. Thanks.